I am D-O-N-E finished. Day 10, summer school is done. Grades are posted and I'm out of there. Don't know why I'm so excited. Session 2 starts Thursday, so well, I get a day off. That's kind of nice. And got some big plans for tomorrow. Share them with you later. But let's see, recap how it went. So I was trying a bunch of new things, trying to see if I could get deeper into some of the basic fundamentals and see if that conceptual foundation would really translate to proficiency. So I'm pretty happy with how it worked out. The students are really happy with how it worked out. Did not end up with anybody failing, which absolutely blows me away. I had actually already posted the grades with one girl having an F. And they took their final yesterday, and this morning I sat down with her and showed her that she did not even show me that she knew how to do any of the topics. I'm not even talking about just making mistakes. I mean, she had no clue. At least there was no evidence of any sort of clue on her test. So I told her that because we had a long day today and most of the other students would be doing standardized testing and she would not be. Told her that since we had the whole day, she could try the test again later in the day. I would give her a different test, but same topics. And so she worked with somebody all day and retook the test. Ended up with a 61%. So that's good. Kind of leaves a bad taste in my mouth though, because man, I don't know if she really deserved to pass, but if she didn't deserve to pass and she did with the way I set up the grades, then that's not her fault. It's mine for not having stringent enough, I don't know, grading or whatever. So I'll have to think about I'll have to think about what to do about that. But everybody else passed, and a lot of kids were really happy with how they had done and what they'd learned. And let's see, did I get them to learn how to learn? I hope so. I think some of them I did. Some of them I reached. Some of them were taking ownership on their own, and that's a big victory. So day is done. Day 10 is over. I'm tired. Last thing I wanted to mention about teaching in general is that if you start off right, it's a lot easier at the end. And I did. I started off, I worked so hard at the beginning, and I established all these routines and all of these they're routines and the way we do things and the schedule and this discipline, and established myself as the leader, and everybody was on board. In fact, everybody was on board. Even the two girls that were just too good of friends, they ended up not even talking to each other in class over the last couple days. And so everybody was with me. They conformed to my expectations. And the last 2 days of summer school can usually be very difficult for management. I didn't have the slightest issue. In fact, when there were 15 minutes before leaving, I asked everybody to just clean up, and my room is totally spotless. So that's a good sign. That's a clean room is a good sign that the students respect the teacher and they find what they're doing there to be worthwhile. So I was happy to see how clean they made the room, and for that reason. So all that said and done, this is a one-take little vlog, and maybe I'll put something together at the very end of summer school, of both sessions, and kind of break apart what I did and what worked and what didn't in an organized fashion. But anyway, this is my reaction to what happened, and well, thanks for watching.